Here we are for sale our 2020 on a 20 plate Ford Transit Custom Signature. This is a 300 model, so 3 tons gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 170 PS, which is roughly 170 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with an automatic gearbox in this particular van, and this is a short wheelbase, limited double cab, finished in the fantastic metallic magnetic grey. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll talk you through what makes this van one of our signature styled Ford Transit Customs. We'll talk you through the condition in detail. We'll also look at things like the service history, seeing as this vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is spec'd with rear barn doors. So barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion. On a limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded. That includes things like the door handles, bits of trim like this here, rear bumper, front bumper, door handles on the side. Wing mirror casings all come colour coded in the body colour, which I say in this case is metallic magnetic grey. Now signature styling, that is the styling package that we put on this shape Ford Transit Custom. So at the top here we have got the rear spoiler which has been added, of course again all colour coded. We've got a nice set of roof bars, 18-inch alloy wheels, sidebars, and a few nice bits around the front which I'll talk you through as we go around. As standard on the Limited, you get rear parking sensors, so you can see those there nicely integrated into the rear bumper. But what doesn't come as standard, and is an optional extra on this van, is the reversing camera. So that's a nice bit of spec that we can see there. A couple of little marks, a couple of little touch-ins to speak of here. So just on this sort of door opening edge here, there's a couple of small little touch-ins which you can see here, and 1 or 2 just there as well. I mean, I'm being picky, but anyone who's watched any of these videos before will know that I will point out anything that I can see. So if I can see any little touch-ins like that, I will gladly show you. Let's open up the rear doors then, have a look at the load space in the back of here. So when you open the doors, you've got this yellow arm here. Give that a pull, that clips into place there against the rear door, and that allows you to open the door right out to its full 180-degree position like so. Same goes with the other door. You can open that right out as well. In the back of here then, fantastic condition inside here, must be said. For a vehicle of this age, mileage, absolutely fantastic condition inside there, as you can see. Floor is looking absolutely brilliant. Threshold, the wheel arch covers, ply lining, bulkhead, it's all looking very, very nice indeed. Another factory optional extra on this one is it has got LED load lights as well, and as you can see there, full rear door coverage on the rear doors, looking very, very smart. Not really much to fault there, and particularly paying close attention to these painted exposed areas there. You can see again how clean and tidy that is there in the back. If we shut the rear doors, we'll continue to go around the outside of the vehicle. So looking here then down the driver's side of the vehicle, and again just looking in these reflections, you can see how clean and straight that is. There's not even really a pin dent or anything I can point out there. It's all looking very, very smart indeed. Signature styling then, back onto that. Looking at the wheels here, so you've got a really nice set of 18-inch gloss black alloy wheels. They're all in brand new condition, brand new tyres, fully load rated for the vehicle. You've got a nice set of sidebars there, set of roof bars as well, and I think that really does set that side profile off of the van very, very nicely. Being a factory double cab then, of course you do get twin side loading doors, so you can see that there, that you can access these from both sides, or from the driver's side or the passenger side. And looking in the back of here, you can see you've got ISOFIX compatibility on the 2 outer seats. Condition in the back of here, again, absolutely fantastic. Looking at the condition here of the step, the carpeted floor, this one has got a nice set of proper rubber overmats in. It's all faultless in the back of there, no issues at all. Opening up the driver's door then, same sort of story here. So looking at, again, the condition of the driver's door card, the step, the carpeted floor, again, proper rubber forward overmats in there. Driver's seat is all in very good order. Looking at the condition of the steering wheel, so you've got leather multifunctioning steering on the left hand side, then you've got your cruise control settings, onboard computer controls on the right hand side. 75,634 miles, you can see it's all idling correctly there, no warning lights on the dashboard. In the centre then, automatic gearbox, as I mentioned, really nice desirable option on this particular van. You've also then got air conditioning, heated wing mirrors, heated seats and heated windscreen. All of that comes as standard on the Limited. And then in the centre then a USB and a 12-volt socket. If you plug your smartphone into either that USB or the one up on top of here, on this Sync 3 screen, you've then got Apple CarPlay or Android Auto depending on what phone you've got. You've also of course got DAB radio on here and Bluetooth connectivity. Having a look at the seats though, again, just brilliant condition inside here. You've got your driver's armrest. You've got nice little fold down tray there with a couple of cup holders as well. But yeah, fantastic condition in there. All the usual Limited spec, auto lights, auto wipers, heated folding mirrors. Of course, it does come with 2 full flip remote keys. Very, very nice indeed. What really sets this van apart as well, not just the fantastic styling and the condition, but it's the service history on this van which really does set it apart as well. We have a record of 5 services that have been carried out on this vehicle, including the one that our van specialist workshop has done on this van. Crucially, on that most recent service, it also had the timing belt or wet belt changed during that service. So as I say, all of that is fresh and new. So it's not something you're not going to have to worry about. Again, we recommend doing them every 6 years or 60,000 miles. That is why we've done it on this van, as I say, in readiness for sale. So you're not going to have to worry about that again, as I say, in our opinion, for 6 years or 60,000 miles. Ford, of course, do quote longer than that. But as I say, we think if you stick to that, from our experience of selling hundreds of these, then you are absolutely safe. And as I say, this one has got an impeccable service history as well, as I say, with 5 services in total that have been carried out. Having a look at the bonnet then, there are a number of stone chips here. There is a peppering of stone chips to the bonnet, which I can see when you really get up close. Like you can see these here. These, of course, have been neatly touched in when the guys have been detailing the van. But as I say, it's almost unavoidable. When you get a van 75,000 miles, you are going to get a peppering of stone chips, which I can see here across the bonnet. Down below then, again, you're going to get some light little stone chips here or there. It is consistent with its age and mileage. Part of the signature styling package then that we fit, and that is the Ford Trail front grille that you can see there. That is a factory Ford product that we fit onto these. So it's brilliant quality, really does transform the look of the front end of the van. And then you've also got the front splitter as well, which you can see there, which is the colour-coded sections here. You've got the gloss black fins, the gloss black centerpiece, and then a gloss black lower lip splitter on there as well. And I think overall, as I say, we've sold a lot of these in this colour, this sort of configuration. I just think that looks absolutely fantastic. Such a good looking van, and I say with the mileage that's on this van, it really does, I think, represent brilliant value for money. And I say, and in that peace of mind that the timing belt has been changed, then as I say, a very, very attractive proposition indeed. And finally then, looking here down the passenger side of the vehicle, again you can just see the condition there and just how clean it is. I say, there's not even a pin dent to point out on this. Down here it's looking very, very smart. Opening up the passenger side side-loading doors, side-loading door, you can again see the condition from this angle. Same on the passenger side. Very, very smart and clean inside there as well. So just to summarise then, it's a 2020 on a 20 plate Ford Transit Custom. It's a 300 model, so 3-ton gross vehicle weight, short wheelbase, double cab, full signature styling package on it, but this is a 170 auto, so it really does go very well. Automatic gearbox as well for that added driving comfort. Really does give you that sort of feel of luxury. Lovely condition in the back as well. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. 5 services have been carried out, including, as I say, crucially, that wet belt change has been done. All genuine Ford parts used in that wet belt change as well. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgeendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description, and the photography of this van and all of the others that we've currently got advertised as well. We can deliver our vans nationwide, so if you're not local to us here in South Wales, then not to worry, we can deliver this van to your door. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, and we can arrange finance at very competitive rates as well, whether that be for private individuals or for limited companies. So if you need any help with funding this vehicle, by all means get in contact, and we've got some really attractive options for you that are cost effective, of course subject to acceptance and status. Thank you very much for watching.